One of the best moments in your university career is when you receive the letter of offer for the course that you applied for. It's a hugely exciting time, but of course, there are some steps that you need to take next to confirm your offer. First up, you need to know that your offer will come directly from QTAC or UAC via SMS and email, so keep an eye out for that. Once you have your offer, it's decision time. QTAC and UAC give you only 4 days to respond, so make sure that you get back to them quickly. When responding, you'll have 4 options to choose from. They are accept your offer, reject your offer, defer your offer, or conditionally accept the offer. A conditional acceptance means that you'll accept your offer, but remain in consideration for other higher preferences in the future offer rounds. If you choose to accept an offer to study at Griffith, and we hope that you do, you'll then receive a welcome email from us. The email will contain information about steps that you need to take to secure your place with us. It's important that you follow these steps, as our high demand programs have short timeframes to enrol to fully accept your offer. If you don't enrol within the timeframe, your offer may lapse. We're more than happy to help you with this process, so feel free to contact us if you need support. Start by checking and confirming your personal details. Then you'll need to do the paperwork for HECS support, which includes providing information such as your tax file number. Next, you'll need to select your courses and classes. This is when you start to shape your degree into what you want, so spend time considering what works best for you. Start by having a look at Griffith's academic calendar and key dates on our website. Here, you can view the full year of events and you can look at each trimester's timetable. This will help you plan your preferred class times and map out your study in detail. You can even see exam key dates. There's also dates for paying for your ongoing fees and information on study finance options. Once you've completed your planning, it's time to enroll. Enrolling is quite simple. There are just 3 easy steps to follow. Step 1 is plan your courses. Step 2 is select your courses. And step 3 is to submit your enrollment. You can find out more detail about each of these steps on our website. Here you'll find a link to My Griffith, which is where you'll manage your enrollment. You can add courses from your course list, plan class timetables, select preferred classes, and then submit your enrollment. My last tip is once you've accepted your offer, is start thinking about orientation week. Orientation is massively important because it gives you a head start in preparing for your study, and it helps you get ready for the university experience. Find out as much as you can about O Week. Get involved. It will make your transition to university so much easier and smoother. Accepting an offer and enrolling are crucial parts of your journey towards studying here at Griffith. Fortunately, the process is easy, and with a little planning and effort, you'll be well on your way to starting your study.